Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to change the number of rings on your vtech phone before it goes to voicemail. This is super handy if you want a little more time to answer the phone. So, let's get right into it. First, we need to understand why you might want to change the ring count. Maybe you're often busy, or sometimes you're far from the phone. Increasing the ring count gives you extra seconds to reach the phone before voicemail picks up. It avoids missed calls when you are close by, but not quite fast enough to get to the phone. Decreasing the ring count could be good if you want voicemail to pick up faster to quickly screen calls. Now, let's talk about how to change the ring count on your vtech phone. The exact steps can vary slightly depending on the model, but here's a general guide that should work for most. First, find the menu button on your phone. It's usually a physical button, but on some models, it might be a soft key on the screen. Press the menu button. Next, you will navigate the menu options. Use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the different settings. Look for something like answering system, voicemail setup, or simply ring settings. Select the appropriate option by pressing the select or OK button. Once you're in the answering system settings, you should see an option related to number of rings or rings to answer. Select this option. You'll likely be presented with a list of numbers. This represents the number of times the phone will ring before the answering system activates. Choose your desired number of rings. Keep in mind that most voicemail services have a default setting of around 4 to 6 rings. If you set your vtech phone to fewer rings, your phone's answering system might pick up before your voicemail. Select your desired number of rings and press save or OK to confirm your choice. Some phones might require you to enter a PIN or password before you can change these settings. If prompted, enter the correct credentials. After saving, it is a good idea to test your settings. Call your phone from another phone to see how many times it rings before going to voicemail. If the phone rings the number of times you selected, great. If not, repeat the steps to make sure you didn't miss anything. Remember to consult your phone's manual for more detailed instructions specific to your model if you are stuck. And that's it. You've successfully changed the number of rings on your vtech phone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover. See you next time.